Hello guys. Today we are backtesting. As always. Get rid of that. First off, to the trade journal. What will I do today? I'm not gonna fucking trade and chop. I won't trade against my bias. I'll set conditional biases. I'll use my fib tool to determine bias. 15-minute candle. First closure. Good tool. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Hold up. Give me discipline and power. I'm ready. Oh, a little trade from yesterday. Oh, new week. To my shoulders when I gave a 10. Okay, that's my bay. London swishing sweep of Asia lows, shot higher, took the Asia highs. Mark our London highs. Monday jack shit. Jack fucking shit. A little choppy, so we gotta break out. We got London lows and highs for today. Holy new week opening gap. Okay. So we opened here. We're trying to fill it. So we're probably going to continue bearish, in which we have this daily low, the 4 hour. Yeah, we're trying. Probably going to look to. Well, actually, it's hard with this gap, so I won't do anything yet. I think I can set a conditional bias and I'll look for the 10 a.m. closure of the hourly candle, and if we're rejecting off of this fair value gap, then I'll probably look to go higher and continue, just fully fill our new week opening gap, because we're in pretty bullish structure right now. Yeah, fair value gaps have been holding. We're really wicking though. We're a little choppy. That's the only thing we want to see, a breakout higher. So we actually might be bearish. First 15-minute inverses through gaps. Yada yada yada. We break out down. So I might be looking bearish today. So to confirm my bearish bias, I want to see us hold. I want to see us inverse this gap And then we'll also get the 1 hour closure so we can see if we inverse through these gaps. And then the 4 hour closure doesn't tell us much, so. That's why I waited for confirmation. 15-minute, huge. That's huge. Okay, so our gap really did hold. Here's where our new week opening gap starts. Can I take longs on this? What's the RR on a trade like this? We can go for a little 1-to-1 here. Although, kind of crawling. We're not getting huge move. Well, that's 100 points. Okay, wait. No, we are getting big moves. This is big. Okay. Yeah, never mind. 5-minute candles are even bigger. Still kind of I want the confirmation from us hitting like a fair value gap or something, man. 3, we have nothing. No high time frame. Oh, and okay, that just got shot. Nice. Okay, wait. We are pumping. Yeah, jeez. We just keep pumping. Yeah, I think I missed the move pretty much. Yeah, I pretty much missed it. So I won't FOMO into anything. I don't feel like trading with that. There really wasn't a whole lot of confirmation. Like our first 15-minute closure was bearish, but then we get this one that displaced through structure and the fair value gap, and then the hourly, which respects the gap. So I probably could have formed a bullish bias off of that and took a long to seek out the that gap, the new week opening gap getting filled. We also we left our London highs, so yeah, which we took there. So we actually took them before 10, but it's whatever. That's yesterday now. I don't care. Not moving a lot. It's fine. Oh no. Bro, 200? Why am I on 200 points? Jeez. So we have Asia and London lows. It's 500 points away. Jeez. Previous day high is a draw. Let's see. 4 hours obviously very bullish. We clear our new week opening gap. We whipped into this 4 hour gap and we rejected it, but we're not getting a reaction down. We keep going up here, so I can keep note of that, but let's see about the day. So we have an unfilled daily gap, which can serve as a point where price may draw to. Okay, with this, I don't know. Yeah, I can't use the fib yet. 30-minute holding that gap. There's still this huge gap here, though, that we're heading straight towards. We have direction, though, that's for sure. So we have direction, we have a bullish trend. We have our previous day high and an unfilled gap as a draw. The unfilled 4-hour gap. Or wait, what? The unfilled daily gap. Unfilled daily. So I'm probably looking for longs today. As long as there's no news. 2 p.m. Yeah, we're fine. Okay, so yeah. Probably gonna look for longs. Our session lows are very far away. Let me see though. We started ranging a bit, but then we broke out and up. And we're respecting that 30-minute gap. Yeah, okay. See how this plays out. Off market open. See if we get a 15-minute closed green. Okay, 15-minute closed red, but it wicked down into a fair value gap, and it got a bit of a reaction because we obviously wicked up. We didn't get a body closure inside. The 1 minute fair value gap respected. Okay. So I like that we got this 15-minute gap respected. We didn't move a whole lot. Honestly. Let's see how we react off of taking that. Okay. That's what I was fearing would happen. But we displaced right back up. Breaking structure up again. Okay. So obviously making these lower lows, higher highs. Inverse that 1 minute gap to break out of that kind of choppy little section there. Honestly, there's a whole lot of green on my screen right now. There's not really anything I can enter off of other than this gap getting inverse. And we didn't follow through much with that. Okay, but now that gap got respected. So I will enter long, targeting that. That's our previous day high as well as this untapped daily gap. Go for 1 to 2 here, or 1 to 1.2. We got another 15-minute candle closure, and it's so 15-minute candle closure. Our first one was a bearish candle, but we tap in and respect our gap. Second one is showing that we obviously have bullish intent based off the reaction we got from that. So I kind of like what we're looking at here. I actually might, because there's like that there. I bro, I kind of want to... I know that there's a retracement coming, but I just don't know when it is, and if I miss that move, because I'm pretty confident in these draws. I know that these are going to get hit, but I don't know if I'm going to get something like this and get stopped out. So that's the only thing I'm worried about right now. It's just execution. I'm very confident that we're going to hit our draws. I just want to see a stronger retrace. I don't think we're going to get it. That might be the strongest retrace we get. Bro, but then at this point, we're slowing down. There's not a lot I can do. Yeesh. And then we could just kind of do a whole lot of nothing. Chopping. We're still making higher highs. Now we're not, though. Okay. It's looking like another no trades. So I was right. We took the previous day high, took our daily, tapped our daily gap. So I was right where price wanted to go. I was just showing that I hesitate on the execution. Because when you see shit like this, it's hard to enter. Where was I entering? I was entering like I was entering here. Like I don't want that to happen and then I get stopped down and then I see that, get my TP hit. That shit pisses me off. Okay, we're reacting bearish off of that gap. Well, it's another no trade. Yeah. I just gotta be confident in my draws. Okay, obviously. So we got a very strong reaction taking the previous day high and that daily gap getting tapped. Race. Very strong. So we might be coming into the day looking bearish, which is actually kind of good because we did fill our new week opening gap, and before that we were bearish, and typically what price likes to do, fill that gap, then continue going the direction it was. Okay. We're leaving the London highs and Asia lows. Two good targets. Closer to London highs. If we're bearish, I could see that getting hit, and then we draw down to Asia lows. Perhaps. Did this gap get hit? Did we leave? Did we left equal highs? I really can't. Bro, I think we left equal highs there. I don't. No. Okay. we tapped it by about tapped it by about a quarter of a point. Yeah, and took the high. Jeez Louise. Tapped a quarter of a point. That's all we needed though, because look at the reaction. Okay. So okay, now I can use my fib. Swing high, swing low. Might want to see price draw up, go into premium before we get our sell off here. Inverted that gap, inverted this gap on the 4 hour. So we're looking very bearish. So that, yeah, very bearish. Respecting gaps. Maybe we can draw into premium. I don't know. If we sweep our London highs, we could get close, but it all depends. It all depends. We're looking at a kind of retracement here right now. So we're in premium here on the 15. overall, we want to see our lower time frame trend flip bearish. Oh, the hour we respect that gap. I think I'm still. Let's see what gets hit first. If we can draw up into equilibrium and then flip to bearish trend, then that would. Oh, we'll see. London lows or highs took. Draw it into equilibrium. Okay. We have potential to close this 15-minute bearish, which is what I like to see. Oh, wait. Okay. So obviously we took out this liquidity. We got a strong reaction off of that on our 15-minute. And we drew into equilibrium. Drew into this huge gap, which is nice. We're wicking into it. Now, I know we got IFVGs on the 1 minute. Oof. That's not really what I want to see. Hold on now. Right, just a bit choppy. I don't know what we're doing here. Price is being a bit weird. So our 1 hour candle closes bullish. And it broke structure, but we're still in this gap and we still are wicking and kind of rejecting. It's kind of hard to tell what we want to do. We have our Asia lows resting down there. It's just a bit hard determining what to do. It's just kind of choppy right now. This might have just been the move, bro. 930 claiming these London highs. That might have been the move of the day. Yeah, we're not going anywhere. I'm not really getting anything. Ooh. We're getting no gaps because we're super wicky. We keep wicking higher, but we're not actually acting. Okay, we're starting to break out. Okay, we're breaking out of our range. Hold on now. Hold on. Oh, but it's 10:52. For fuck's sake. Couldn't have came any later. Well, let me see. Just got the respect of that 1 minute gap. Here. Low there, low. Let me see, what do we have on the higher time frames? Here, this unfilled 15-minute gap. It's also an unfilled 30-minute gap. Okay, so let's see here. Looking for a continuation. See, we chop up after taking our London highs, drawing in equilibrium. We do take that high. We chop, fail to take this high. Then we're delivering lower, breaking out of this range. Now I'm targeting, we have Asia lows to draw price. We have the unfilled 30-minute gap to draw price. Just looking for a little continuation. Little, where are we right now? Oh, that's 100 points. Okay. We'll see. Let's make sure we have no news. 8th. Is this Wednesday? Bro, don't show me fucking the next day. Okay. So I'll place order. I'll save and journal. I want to see this dump. Yeah, no, okay. I knew it, bro. I should have seen a retrace coming. We tapped premium. I was bearish. Can I truly say I was bearish? I was bearish coming into the day. I wanted to see us take London highs and draw into a premium and then deliver down. That's what I got. Bias disrespected. We just came out of a range. We're getting direction. Imbalance. Imbalance was filled. We didn't instantly deliver. So I'll say ran through because we didn't instantly deliver. Imbalance was filled. We had that high time frame imbalance. And yeah, this trend just kind of exhausted at the bottom here. One star. I wasn't super confident. 8. Okay, that's kind of a bummer. What do we do though? We just chop, so, and then we shoot up. So that's kind of buns. Oh my god, what is that? Sometimes the price action on here is ugly. Very, very ugly. $8:30, it's on a Thursday. 4 red folder news events at 8:30. CPI. Let's see. Is this 8:30? No, that's not even close. That's This is 8:30. That news did nothing. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Well, we took our data highs and then we got our data lows, so we're very close to our London lows. And judging from what I saw while skipping ahead, we look to be a little bullish on the low time frame. We're bearish right now, a little kind of chop. Yeah, bearish. Let's see. On the 4 hour, we huge move up, which inverts that gap. Taps into this gap. I don't know what the fuck that came from. Tap inside this 4 hour gap. This bullish gap. This one, yeah, it's not okay. On the day, full body closure above this bearish gap. It's pretty nice. Friday. So that's our previous week high. That's a nice little draw. Since we are bearish right now, we have previous day high. No. Kind of crawling. We're in bearish structure on the hour. Kind of depends. So I'm going to be conditional and I'm going to say, well, I can look for a continuation of this bearish structure because we are inside of that huge fair value gap. So we can, I'd say, I'll look out. We have draws above. We could probably flip bullish. But right now I'm going to be bearish. I'm probably going to look shorts. Just because I don't want to trade against this. Our London highs aren't very far away though, so it's kind of hard to do that. And our daily low is so far away. Previous day low, it's all the way down here. So the draws are there, they're just not close by. Yes, we are in a 4 hour bullish gap and we're tapping it. It's kind of hard to determine what to do. We're not doing a whole lot. But we'll just see off market open. Probably look for the continuation of the bearish trend. Choppy. First 15 minute. First 15 minute shows indecision. We did take our London low. Not a strong reaction from that gap. So it looks like we got a reaction off of sweeping our London low. If we can break structure back down, that would be quite nice. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be bearish, honestly. We're leaving draws above, but like, look at this. We're obviously bearish. First 15-minute candle, it was indecisive, but it's still bearish. Our hourly candle most likely gonna close bearish. On the 1 minute, tap our gap and we do that. Okay, but we're coming back up now. We tap into that same gap and we reject again. Price action is so iffy. Another 15-minute closure, bearish. I'd say that kind of cements my bearish bias. Looking for shorts now. Now all we need is something I can enter off of. I'm not going to enter into this chop. What are we doing? Okay. Run up and grab this liquidity. Displace. But then off the... So we displace and invert this gap and then we just shoot up again? That makes no sense, bro. We're just shopping. I can't trade in this. I'll be for real. Like, it's probably going to be a tradeless day. Because we're doing nothing. I mean, unless I get something that truly fucking sticks out. Because this shit's testing me, bro. When I get in choppy conditions like this, it's so hard. Because I am actively looking for a trade. I'm so locked in. And I'm looking to take a trade. And all that does is kind of hurt me when we're in these conditions. Because I'm going to look for any freaking reason to take a trade. But there's nothing, when you're not directional, it's not clear. Your PD rays aren't going to work. Fuck this camera, bro. This webcam's a piece of junk. I don't know why it disconnects randomly. Yeah, no trades, bro. Was I correct? We dumped a little bit. Bro, why are we ranging so much? We have no direction. Our overnight sessions are moving more than our New York sessions, bro. That's so bullshit. 600 points in Asia session. Come on now. And it was pretty much entirely bullish. That's some bullshit. Why are we moving so much? None of this shit translates over to New York. Okay. Oh. Asia lows are out of the highs are out of the question, but we have London highs, and then we have both Asia and London lows. Previous day low down here. It should be, yeah. Okay. It's already Friday, bro. I've only took one trade and it's a loss. We have 10 a.m. consumer sentiment, and then we had 8:30 news. For high impact news events, they sure don't have a high impact. Yeah, bro. Holy price action. I don't really know what we're doing here. Can my 4-hour chart load? Hello? Bro, can my 4-hour load? Okay. So our Asia session flipped. So that's our previous day low, where we went pretty deep into this gap. So actually, if my 4-hour would actually load, and I could actually look at what... I don't think it's going to. Fuck, bro. Fuck you. If we use our fib and we go swing, swing, tap into discount inside this gap, and now we're starting to kind of flip. I know on the 1 hour we inverted that gap. That high. Previous day highs. Oh wait. Previous day high up here. Okay, so we all right. In the grand scheme of things, we're chopping. Inverse bearish gap, inverse bullish gap. So until I see some kind of fucking movement, and I'm not taking a trade before 10 because we have news, consumer sentiment. So let's see, bro. Market open. What do we do? Keep chopping. $15-minute closure. What do we get? Bullish invert gap. Okay. That gives me that enforces my idea that we might be bullish on the day, heading up to our London Asia highs. Let's see. Okay. Keep pushing. Displace down, correct that. So our hourly closure is going to look at us continuing this bullish kind of trend here with not making these new lows. Making new highs. So on the lower time frames, we're inverting some gaps. On the 30, there's nothing for us. And we teleport. That's our consumer sentiment candle. Yeah, bro, we're literally just bound to this range. We're never escaping the chop. What do we think we're doing, bro? What do we think? I swear. There's no way. There's no way this isn't New York session. 10 times the volume in Asia session as we do New York. What, I don't know what exchange is, but yeah, bro, who fucking knows? I mean, bro, it really makes no sense to me how we're chopping so much in New York, but we have movement on Asia. Okay, we do not get a reaction, or we do, but it's not a strong reaction. When I was previously bullish, we do have Asia lows. Looks like we're about to run through our London lows. Or not. We just get these bullish displacement candles up. So we hesitate to make it through that gap. $15 minutes left. This is just Like, what do I do in this price action? Well, I mean, the answer is just don't fucking trade. What? Seriously? Inverse gap. Inverse gap. Inverse gap. Inverse gap. Inverse gap. Dump. Dump to London lows without taking any liquidity. Inverse gap. Inverse gap. It's just chop, bro. In the grand scheme of things, it's all chop. There's zero direction. This is direction. I don't know how we have direction in Asia and London sessions, but New York is just garbage. I took one friggin' trade, bro. It was a loss. So that's an L. I'm in the video because my throat hurts and I'm just trading chop right now. I don't really like it. Okay.